Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VirtualBox 7.2.4 on Windows 11 or 10. But the process is same on all Windows operating systems. And 7.2.4 is the latest version at the time of making this video. Okay, first go to VirtualBox official website. It is virtualbox.war. Then click on download or download, both are same. Click on download. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 7.2.4. For Windows you have to click on Windows host, then it will download automatically. See, download started, go to download. See here its size is about 168 megabytes. Wait until download completes, and it is exe file. Once download completes, then we will install this exe file. See, download is completed. Now click on this exe file. Click on next. Then select the I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click on next. See, select the features I want to install also. All selected. Suppose if you don't want this one, right click, then click on this one and don't install. I want to install, so keep all as it is. Then installation location. See, if you want to change the location, click on change. I'm okay with this location, then click on OK. Then click on next. Network disconnection, it's okay. Click on yes. See, if you want to add to start menu, select the checkbox, and if you want to create shortcut, select. I want all these, so select next. Ready to install, click on install. See, installation has been started. See, we have successfully installed, and if you want to start the Oracle VirtualBox, you have to keep the checkbox. Otherwise unselect it and click on finish. Now open VirtualBox. Now verify whether VirtualBox is installed or not. Go to all applications. Go to Oracle VirtualBox. See, here we have the Oracle VirtualBox. See, we have installed VirtualBox, but before opening, go to here. Then see, here we have the VirtualBox extension pack. So click on this accept and download. See, download started. Then click on this VirtualBox extension pack. Now select the install. See, I agree is grayed out. Why? Because we have to go to bottom of this license agreement. Then only we will be able to select I agree or disagree. So select I agree. We have successfully installed. Now verify the version. Go to help, then about VirtualBox. See, here we have installed VirtualBox 7.2.4. Okay, close this one. Now if you want to create a virtual machine, click on new. Then you can provide all the details. Or if you want to open the existing one, click on this open. Okay. Or go to machine and select new or open. Both are same like these two. So in this video we have seen VirtualBox and its extension pack version number 7.2.4 on Windows operating systems. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.